Right into the driver's seat of the 2026 Volkswagen Jetta. What strikes you first is how balanced it feels, thoughtfully designed, with every detail reflecting Volkswagen's commitment to practical refinement. Under the hood, the standard Jetta is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 158 horsepower and 184 pounds-ft of torque, routed through an 8-speed automatic to the front wheels. It's not a sports car, but it feels eager enough in day-to-day driving. With torque kicking in at relatively low revs for a responsive feel, fuel efficiency is a strong suit. With about 29 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway, making it economical for both city commutes and long drives. The Jetta has a wheelbase of about 105.7 inches and an overall length of 186.5 inches, offering a surprisingly roomy cabin for a compact car. Front legroom is comfortable, and rear passengers get decent space. Trunk capacity is about 14.1 cubic feet. Volkswagen equips the Jetta with its IQ.Drive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Inside, the cabin is clean and modern. Lower trims feature an 8-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen for infotainment, while higher trims offer a 10.25-inch customizable digital cluster for a premium. Digital cockpit feel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Wireless charging now supports 15-watt output, and higher trims feature an 8-speaker premium audio system. The ride and handling lean toward comfort. With nicely weighted steering and a suspension that absorbs bumps well, it's relaxing for daily commutes, yet composed enough on twisty roads. The sporty GLI variant gets a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 228 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. The GLI features a performance-oriented chassis with multi-link rear suspension, adaptive dampers, and a limited slip differential, offering more precise handling while maintaining respectable fuel economy of around 26 mpg city and 36 mpg. Highway warranty coverage is for years or 50,000 miles, with complimentary maintenance for GLI buyers for 2 years or 20,000 miles. Design-wise, the 2026 Jetta is modern and restrained, with clean aerodynamic lines, LED headlights and taillights, and wheels that scale with trim. The interior uses solid materials, with soft-touch plastics in high-touch areas, comfortable seats, ventilated and heated options in higher trims, ambient lighting, and upscale finishes. Updates for 2026 include rear seatbelt pretensioners, a standard sunroof on some trims, and an upgraded premium sound system on top trims. Pricing is competitive, with the base S trim starting around $25,270 and the top SL trim about $31,270. The Jetta offers efficiency, safety tech, a comfortable interior, and optional performance with the GLI, making it a compelling choice in the compact sedan class. There are trade-offs. The base engine may feel mild for those seeking sports car-level excitement. The automatic transmission is smooth but not sporty, and the interior design is conservative rather than bold. However, for buyers prioritizing reliability, practicality, and a touch of European driving character, the Jetta is a smart pick. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Jetta is a well-rounded compact sedan. It excels in efficiency, safety, comfort, and refinement without being pretentious. For daily driving or a sportier option in the GLI, it strikes a great balance.